Good morning. I welcome press and electronic media for this release of notification for 22-23 academic year. I myself, Dr. K.V. Krishnagishore, in charge Vice Chancellor, Vijnan's deemed to be university. Brief about university, I am very pleased to inform you that our university got NAC A plus grade with 3.49, and also we have ranked 97 NIRF ranking. So, with all this happy note, we are announcing that next year admission notification visa 22-23. I am happily sharing that last year admissions almost 100% filled up. So, with that same enthusiasm, we are releasing notification for this year 22-23. So, Vijnan University offering programs in BTech, BS Agriculture Science, BBA, BCA, BBA LLB, BBA LLB, B Pharmacy, along with 9 programs in MTech, MBA, MCA, MSc Chemistry. So, for BPC stream students, we are offering 6 courses, 4 in BTech, Biotechnology, Bioinformatics, Biomedical, Food Technology, B Pharmacy, BS Agriculture Science. Traditional core courses like Computer Science, new courses like Artificial Intelligence and Machine Learning, Cyber Security, Computer Systems and Business Systems, Mechanical, Civil, Electrical, Electronics, and Electronics and Communication Engineering, Information Technology, all other courses available. So, this university, to improve the student skills, we revise the curriculum every year. So, majorly every 2 years we revise our curriculum. So, R21 we have included 8 core courses, 8 IT courses for all core branches. So, because these days all branch of engineering students need IT skills, that's why IT courses are included in all core branches, so that they are able to get placement in their core engineering as well as IT jobs. So, we are introduced advanced courses like Artificial Intelligence, Deep Learning, then genome sequencing, like many other courses we have included in R21. We have introduced IT courses in all engineering branches so that students are able to get a placement in both core jobs as well as IT jobs. So, for to student to make all-round development, we include CRT program in the curriculum. So, CRT starts from the first year to emphasis on communication skills, and the second, third years on employability skills. So, spread across 3 years with 250 hours of training program for all the students who join in Vijnan University. So, apart from this, we have MOUs with foreign universities as well as industries. So, few of our students are doing internships in NTU Singapore and other reputed universities. So, year long we conduct many programs for improving their life skills. So, with these few words, I happy to release the notification for academic year 22-23. So, this examination, VSAT examination across the India, we are conducting 36 centers, and our application is available in online as well as applications available in for download, and you can apply directly through post also. So, these are the facilities available.
And welcome to this admission release notification function. I am Dr. P.M. Rao, in charge registrar, VFSTR University, Vadlamudi. Students joining or prospective students coming to join at Vijnan are having different ambitions. Of course, most of the students are having ambition to have a good jobs in multinational companies. And at Vijnan, we help them to achieve that objective. And some of the students are having other ambitions like going for government jobs civil services, banking sector, and some of the students are also having ambition to start their own industry, that is entrepreneurship. And we are having special programs that are integrated with academics that will help the students to achieve all these goals. We are having BTech plus civil services program. Humanities subjects are integrated with the curriculum, and we are having a civil service training cell where experienced faculty are going to train the students after college hours. We are having few hundreds of the students who are pursuing this program at present, and all the main aim of all these programs is to give a strong foundation to them, strong base, so that immediately after going out of the college, they can achieve these goals. And also, in collaboration with Ministry of Medium and Small Scale Industry, we are organizing entrepreneurship programs here. They are going to conduct motivational and training programs for the students who wants to start their own industries. We are having an incubation cell. We are helping the students. We are bringing the mentors here in those areas where students wants to do. Students are having an idea that they want to convert into an product. And we are providing infrastructure facilities, and we are mentoring those students to achieve their goals. And AP Skill Development Academy has set up 7 skill centers with a worth of 4 crore rupees at Vignan. Our students are getting benefited from these skill development programs, and these skill development centers are not only going to be used to train our students, they are also helping the rural students in nearby villages to train in these areas like welding, house wiring and all those things. Doing a course at Vignan definitely will help the students to achieve their goals. Thank you.
Good morning. I am D. Vijay Krishna, Dean Training and Placement. Welcome to this admission notification release function. 2021, about 95% of the eligible students are placed with handsome packages in companies like CTS, TCS, IBM, HCL, and all the big giants. In the year 2022, we have multiple opportunities coming to the students, and students are placed in big giants like PwC, Accenture, CTS, TCS, and we have already crossed 1,000 offers for 500 students, which is technically 2 offers for each student. In order to cater the research, improve the research, Vignan University has MOUs with many industries and also with many educational institutions. A worth of 1,500 lakhs projects are being carried out, and also the faculty has published 3,000 papers in the last 5 years. Coming to the MOUs with the industry MOUs help us to get the projects as well as the placements. We also have MOU with Cambridge University, and we have a test center of Cambridge University which was abducted as the top 25 in South Asia. And at the same time, 90% of the students have taken or cleared this BEC and PET examination from Vignan University, which has got a prestigious award from Cambridge University. We also have MOUs with different universities in UK, USA, Germany for student exchange and for research. For a semester-long and year-long internships and student exchange, we have MOUs with prestigious institutions in Germany and also in South Korea, and Japan also. And many students avail this opportunity every year. We have succeeded in getting the students from Nepal, Sudan, Burundi, and many other countries, and we hope that we will be attracting the good talent across the world in the coming few years. Thank you.
Good morning. This is A. Gauri Shankar Rao, Assistant Registrar, Vignans University. Welcome to the VSAT release function 2022-23, and I welcome all the press, electronic and print media. And we are very happy to announce that the previous year we have filled all the seats in all the streams of engineering, and this year with the same enthusiasm we are going ahead with the release of this VSAT notification. And the last date for application is 15th March 2022, and the exam dates are 25th to 30th April 2022. And we have 36 test centers all over India, and across Andhra Pradesh and Telangana we have almost 14 test centers. And I request all the students to go through the website www.vignan.ac.in. So to know more details about the VSAT examination. And we are very happy to announce the scholarships provided by Vignans University. That is the first 100 rankers in VSAT will get 75% scholarship, and 101 to 200 rankers will get 50%, and 201 to 400 rankers will get 25%, and 401 to 2000 rankers will get 10% of scholarship in the tuition fees. And Vignans University provides 16 crores rupees scholarship every year to all the years of students. I mean 4 years of students, and total 25% of seats will be filled with the scholarship. Scholarship, it means meritorious students, and I advise all the engineering aspirants to make use of this golden opportunity. Like every year, it has been going on, and we request all the engineering aspirants to make use of this chance. Thank you.